Hello, welcome to Baku channels. Welcome, Livery. Hello. Hello, welcome, Ripple. Hello, how are you? And this is our hot selling models, BA601D Plus. It is 2-in-1 level stations, 1 hot air gun, and 1 soldering island. And these machines made of the USB chargers, and also the outside hot air guns. This connectors is outside to connect of the machines, and the temperatures it can adjust to 0 or 200 and 480 degrees. And the temperatures it can show on this part, of the hot air guns. And this is use of the brushless fans inside of the handles. And the soldering tips, the soldering island use the heating elements. So this part it can also to choose a different shape of the soldering tips. And this is the ceramic heating. Ceramic heating it can increase the temperatures very fast. And this is the caps of the soldering tips. And this cable of the soldering island is very soft, and it can easy to use. And the outside connectors it use the high quality resistance. And also this is the part of the USB chargers, so you can charge your phones. And this machine it has the CE certificate, so you don't worry about of the custom troubles. And another one, this is the 3-in-1 level stations, BA603D Plus. Two soldering islands, and one hot air guns. And this part, hello, welcome to Baku channels. Welcome. Please follow our stores so you can find me again next time. Welcome.